Who is she black top? She is too beautiful. Black top? Turo na. Pamboy, because you are my viewers before. That's why I know you. Who is she in black top? She is too beautiful.
May violent reaction. My brother has a violent reaction with your comment.
Yeah.
They are sisters.
With your comment, dude.
This is 60 years old.
Maya. Si senior citizen.
Bakit
You said 60 years old, senior.
Bakit? Maganda naman ako dun ah.
No, Mr. Panboy. No, I'm Mr. Panboy.
No, I'm Mr. Bambo. Yeah.
Maba lagi wala.
Bambo is only your channel name. What's your real name? 186 million viewers. Kanina din. Kaman ko. Hi, hey. Quiz Nabay. Quiz Wana Ki. Thank you very much, guys.
Kawasaki.
Kawasaki.
Yung nakaraan, merong viewer na Ayun, si Gojo. Gojo sa Puna.
Turo. Sa Tura. Sa Turo.
Sa Turo.
Sa Turo. Hello, my idol. Thank you very much. Quiz Wana. Hi, thank you very much, Quiz Wana. Ay, naganyan. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my live. Swana. Bayot. Liot Pogi.
Baka
It's okay.
Baka din niya alam meaning.
You're funny.
What's Bayot?
Baka din niya alam meaning.
Did you know what is Bayot? Auntie. Oh, Miss Ampin Ngoyen, because Ngoyen is not here around. She's not visiting our live. Thank you very much, idol.
He's not it.
Dami
He's
message,
not
no?
yet here. Oh, dami niya. Joseph, this one. Ay, add as moderator na hindi siya na-add. Thank you very much, idol, at this one. Thank you to all of you guys watching my live. Thank you very much. Gay, Bayot Royce, gay. Yeah, are you a gay? No.
Good.
Nee, this is a gay. Maria Gerald Gay.
Papa?
Ay
You
po.
said it.
King series.
You have no right.
Conduct. Luis, apelido. Thank you very much. Ay, apelado pala. 100. Sadari Elmas, thank you very much, idol, for watching my live. Shout out sa'yo. Opo, you are Pugi. Thank you. You know how to speak Tagalog, Pamboy? It's it, merinda, Pamboy. Lami. Yummy. Quiz 1 na. Pamboy also is Pogi.
Hard.
But Pogi is not the good meaning.
Okay.
The meaning of Pogi is pure onggoy galing India.
Ang galing yun.
Opang.
Ang
Opang
galing.
Akin. Ganito ang meaning Pogi na. Kaya ang Pogi mo, pangit yun. Ang pangit ng meaning mo. Yan ba kaming Chester?
Pure boy.
Yan kaming Disclover Chip.
Kita-kita
Yummy.
na lang.
Luis Apilado Madrid, sweet family. Thank you very much, idol. Shout out sa'yo. Shout out kay Luis Apilado Madrid.
Jollibee or McDo.
Thank you very much, idol. That's it.
Ang hirap mag-decide per McDo.
Delicious.
Sa orange. That's it, orange.
My son.
McDo the one. McDo.
Basta, my son.
Pahinugasan mo muna
My
ito ba?
daughter. Ha?
Water.
Oh, inugasan ko yan.
Mark, tubig.
Thank you very much, idol. We are here eating
Thanks.
merinda.
McDo number
Fruits
1.
and chips. Popcorn pala to. Ang panggaan. Thank you very much all of you guys watching my live. Thanks to all of you.